In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely connect WordPress to n8n. This process is an excellent way to allow n8n to interact with your WordPress site via its REST API, enhancing automation and overall functionality. To get started, we'll need to generate a special application password within WordPress and then set it up as a credential in n8n. This connection facilitates seamless communication between WordPress and n8n, streamlining your workflow and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Let's dive into the details. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you want to navigate to the user profile section where you will find an option to create an application password. This password will act as a connector, providing n8n with the ability to securely access and manage your WordPress site. Carefully create and label this password, making sure to keep it secure and confidential. This is essential for the safety of your site. Once you have your application password ready, it's time to switch over to n8n. Open n8n and access the credentials section. Here, you'll need to set up a new credential specifically for your WordPress connection. Enter a name for this credential to easily identify it later. Now, this part is crucial. You'll have to input the application password you just generated in WordPress. Alongside that, you'll also need your WordPress username. Keep in mind that inputting this information correctly is vital for the connection to work. After configuring these settings, make sure to test the connection. n8n usually provides a feature to do a quick connection test to see if everything is functioning as expected. If the test is successful, this means your setup is correctly enabling n8n to interact with WordPress securely. If not, double-check the credentials and make sure the application password and username are accurate. Now that your setup is complete, let's consider a few additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Regularly update your plugins and themes to maintain compatibility and security. Keeping everything up to date helps in preventing vulnerabilities that could affect your connection integrity. It's also a good idea to regularly review your application passwords in WordPress and delete any that are no longer in use for security reasons. Another important aspect is documentation. Keep track of this connection process, noting down details such as the name of the credential in n8n and the application password. This documentation can serve as a reference for future troubleshooting or setups. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a secure, reliable connection between WordPress and n8n via its REST API. This setup not only enhances your site's functionality but also streamlines your workflow, making interactions between platforms much more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating. Keep exploring the endless possibilities this connectivity opens up for your WordPress site.